Hey guys, so I'm back. I have a day off from work, so now I'm out shopping to find some stuff for my garden. Oh, these are beautiful. Those are really pretty. Not sure what they are. Dark Mystery Rare Mallow. That's kind of pretty. All right, let's keep going. Look at all the choices and options. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Oops. Almost hit a tree. Okay. Now, I really do want to buy a cherry tree, but I can't afford it this year. So I'm just going to hold off. So look at, they have little blueberries down here. They have blueberries. And they are $14.99. That's excellent. That's three packs of blueberries, and you got yourself a tree, and you can grow your own. Okay, and same with, like, this is a cherry, I think. Hang on here. No, it's a pear tree. Oh, I see the cherries. Hang on. I think there's only the one left. This is a cherry, right? Look it. How much is this? It's a cherry, but it doesn't, I don't see a price on it. I'm thinking it's expensive though, because, right? Yeah, so oh, here's a cherry tree. Maybe this one has a price. This is a sweetheart cherry tree. Okay. Oh, it's got 3 different varieties on it. And still, I don't see, or 4 different varieties, so it's been spliced, but I still don't see a price, so we'll keep moving. Okay, I cannot believe how big this place is and all the wonderful things. Look at, oh, the wind is really, I'm gonna leave my cart here. This is my cart, and I'm gonna take you guys for a walk so you can see all this. Isn't it amazing? Just goes for forever. Beautiful azaleas. They've got so many different varieties of all sorts of hedges and shrubs and bushes and flowers. And these are some sort of a calla lily, I believe. Beautiful. Oh, see? If you guys know me, you know my favorite color is blue. And I saw something that caught my eye over here. Look at, aren't these pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. What is this? It's called, I can't read that. Victoria Blue. Wait. Come on, camera. Ceanothus. Huh. Ooh, I like it. What do you guys think of that? I think they're really pretty. I wonder how much they are. It doesn't say. Okay. Uh-oh. The wind is really hammering their trees down. Lovely. This is like a bamboo of some sort. I like it. Look at it. It's like being in the forest. Let's walk down. Oh, look, there's trees falling down. Oh, I should let them know. Wonder if I can stand this up. This is a dogwood tree. There we go. See, I'm doing my part. Let's walk down here, because isn't this fun? Right? It's like you're in the city, but you're in the forest. Hang on here. I gotta stand these up. I can't help myself. There. Oh, many of them have fallen. Probably not a good day to... See, they have them on waterers, eh? You see that? That system? It waters all the trees. That's why they're super healthy. And it keeps going, but there's a lot of trees falling down there, so I'm not going to go that way. And look at here. Okay, you guys. I'm going to go this way. And I'm going to stand this rose up because I can't help myself. There. Isn't this pretty? It's seriously like being in the forest. Surrounded by beautiful, like, if you can't get out and you live in the city, just go visit a greenhouse and hang out there for a while. Green is a really relaxing color for our eyes, right? And look at all that green. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, look at these roses. Do you think they're gonna smell nice? Hang on, I'm going for the sniff. Oh my word. The smell, I wish you guys could smell that. I wish you could smell the smell coming out of that rose. Oh, these are beautiful. Hang on. See, 104 for a rose topiary. Hey, isn't that amazing? I never came out here the last time when I visited this greenhouse because I didn't realize how big it was, right? There's so much. There's so much to see. Hey, look at these roses, you guys. You see that? Beautiful. Look at. Oh, the smell, you guys. The smell is amazing. Hi. Let's go this way. What a beautiful day, even though it's overcast. Okay. Now I have to go back and get my cart. But I just wanted to look at these little birds. Little birds in the greenhouse. Just wanted to walk you guys through here. Now that it's all filled up. I think when I came here the last time, it was still, they were still just getting set up, right? So now everything is just amazing with the color. Look at the baskets. It's beautiful. Just keeps going and going and going and going. Yeah, and there's birds in here. Okay. Look at all the vegetables. Look at all the vegetables. Beautiful. So I'm gonna have to, once I walk through here with you guys, I'm gonna go get my cart and I'll do my shopping, and then maybe I'll use whatever I have on my cart as my thumbnail for the video, because otherwise it's just gonna be too long, right? And we don't want that. So this is one of my favorite areas back here because it's all the herbs. Look at both sides of the table. It's just packed full of different, look, they've got eucalyptus, golden oregano. They have so much variety. They even have borage. That's one of my favorites. And I have a video on it. Cilantro. So much to look at. This is an interesting plant. It's called rue. Rudigravelis. There's pineapple sage, another one of my favorites. There's another one of my favorites, Thai basil. I wish some of them would come back at the end of the year, but I haven't had any luck getting my herbs to overwinter at all. I'm going to do a couple more aisles. Look at these. A couple more aisles, and then I'm going to go get my shop on. Isn't this beautiful? Actually, you know what? Look at, there's even more. I didn't know that. I didn't know there was more. There's more inside. Wow. Look at this. Holy banana Hannah. I'm going to show you guys one of my very favorite plants from my patio. And it's this purple one right here. It's called heliotrope. And I wish you could smell it because it smells like vanilla. So if you have a planter that you like to have on your patio where you're sitting, plant heliotrope, man. It is amazing. Okay, oh, these are really cute. These are beautiful. Okay, let's go this way. Isn't it fun? That's what I mean. Just go to your local greenhouse. Look at these roses. I think I want to get this one. I'm going to have to come back with my cart. Okay, so I am going to end my video here. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And I look forward to watching, for you to watch my garden grow and my yard come back to life this summer. So have a wonderful day.